that's interesting. Looking for D5K2, I believe. That's it over there, possibly. I think. That's a D4. That looks like a D4 too, though. Interesting parking job. Well, let's go see. Yeah, that's a D5. Alright, so what they're telling me, this is an emergency kind of situation. They're 3/10 off. See, this must be an older installation. That's interesting. Alright, so, well, 3/10 off. Let's check it real quick. I'll throw my network rover at it. They're supposed to be bringing out their rover. Okay, so I've copied their project into my FC5000, and I'm using my SR. I know that, son. I'm using my SR, which is network, and they're on a base. So there's going to be a little bit of difference. Hopefully not a whole lot. And let's see what we get. Point number 1 on this. Let's take a peek and see if we can see what the issue is. Alright, let me take a photo of that if I can find my phone. Here it is. Alright, why is my phone not working? There we go. Whoa. Why is my phone not working? Oh, great. There we go. I guess you can't keep these apples in your pocket. They get too hot or something. Weird. Weird, 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 weird. Alright, so I got that shot. Let's jump up and take a peek. Let's see what it says. Position check that left side. Alright. Say they're off about 3/10. I'm not sure what. Let's go in and look at their GPS. 200s, 300s. They can be updated. 200s, 400s. 14 out of 17. Shoot that again. Alright, well, they showed up with their rover, so that's good. Because that's going to be off a little bit anyway. It's network. I just cleaned off a little spot here. Let's give it a check with their system. It could be just a difference between their project. Maybe they have an update that they didn't load into their machines or something. Or maybe it is calibration related. We will find out. If we have to recalibrate it, we will. Just getting these corners ready for the machine. Main body slope 2.5. That means the front end is the machine. The front end is raised up 2.5%, which looks right. All this looks right, which is very weird. It all looks right. Alright, so we got his base and rover up, and these are the shots that we got. So our right, the rover is saying 6:15:89. We're at 6:15:54. I gotta do the math on these real quick and see exactly. That's what's gonna tell you if it's out this way or that way, because that's at 0. Alright, this is the key. This is why you do the math. You subtract. All I did was subtract the left side elevation from the rover to the machine. It's off 3/10 400ths. The right side's off 3/10 500ths. So, because the blade is at 0, we know the right might be out just a little bit by 100ths, right? So, I mean, if that was like 6/10 and that's 3/10, then you know the slope of the blade is off. But the slope of the blade is not off. All we need to do is adjust for that 3/10. And that's something simple we can do. We need to match the rover. No problem. Just go in their machine file, edit. Not sure how it got off, but the trees might have something to do with it, the precisions. So what controls that, the elevation, is your main GPS antenna, the one sitting right above me, number 1. So if we go up, it's going to come down. So it's at 892. Let's go up to 9.00. Next, right through. And let's remeasure that left side. We're trying to get 56. It's at 47. We actually went the wrong way. Okay, so we'll go down with the number. I do that a lot. No big deal. That happens. Alright, so let's go 8.40. Something big, something that you can notice. And then we can dial it in later. Measure. So I'm trying to reach 615.90. I'm at 616.05, so we went too far. Way too far, but we're headed in the right direction. Go back. There it is. Alright, so let's do 8.50. See how close that gets us. Just a matter of getting close. 615.95, 615.90, measure. It's 600s off. We can do better. .54. $615.90, $615.90. Measure. $615.88. Measure like 2 or 3 times and see what the calculated difference is. There's 90. So 88 to 90. 91. That's a couple hundred, so that's good. Now just check the right side. The right side should be the same. Should be tight. All we need to reach is 89. That's 91. 92. I think we're going to come down just a little bit more. Okay, yep, we'll come down just a touch more. Got to balance out the two. We'll go to 8.56. Measure that left side, or the right side actually. 92, and we need 89. I don't think we moved enough. How much did that change on the left? 91, we need 90. So we can come down a little bit more. Let's do 8.54 was real close. I don't know if we have to go up or go down. We'll try 58 and we'll see which direction that goes. I think that's going to be close. That's 91. We want 90 for the left side. It's 92. Difference of 100. Alright, let's do this. If it doesn't change much as you go up, go down. So we were good at 854. Let's go 8.52. See if that raises it or lowers it. That raises it. Okay, so we need to go up a little bit higher. 8.61, we'll try that. We were at 8.92, so originally that's what it was on. So that's 6.90 right there, left side, and that's what we need. 89. 89, I'm good with that. Let's try the right side and see if that got any closer. We need 89. 89. Alright, so I'm good with that. That's good. That's tight right there. So that's what it's supposed to be at. Just happened to all of a sudden go out 3/10 after lunch, which is weird. And the original number was 8.92 that was in there. What did we go with? $8.61. You got to be able to do this on the fly. That way this machine wouldn't be sitting. It could still be cutting. Your operator could sit here and do this. That's easy. But I don't mind coming out and making this happen. Alright, we're good. This machine can go back to work. I'm curious to talk to the operator. He's the one in the orange. How he realized it was 3/10 out. 3/10, when you're digging that, I don't know, it's weird. Unless they brought the rover over there. Let's find out. Yeah, it's weird. That machine just all of a sudden went out 3/10 while they were working. And I just had to bump it down a little bit to match it back to the project. Very weird. That's a really compact spot right there. Wow. I wanted to see how the blade adjusts if I needed to adjust the valve